Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I'm Ernest. Let's hit the road. I've got an emergency call out this morning. I just got done stopping by AutoZone. I had to pick up a few things for a job that I was already planning on doing, and then I got a call out. It's the weekend, so I do charge a bit more to do a call out on the weekend, so that way people can choose if it's urgent or not. Wait till Monday. I don't have to do something unnecessary. But this is kind of urgent. They need to get to a town that's about 2 hours away by the end of the day, and their car's not starting. They texted me and said that it's not making any noise, but the battery seems to be okay. I have no idea what that means, so we're gonna head over there and do a diagnosis first. I'm gonna run in the grocery store real quick, get some chocolate milk and something. I'm pretty hungry, and I'm about 10 minutes early. A lot of times I like to get the VIN number and bring a battery or whatever with me beforehand. This time I wasn't sure, however, so I'm just gonna go over there and figure out exactly what's wrong first, because they think it's really not the battery. All right, I just got here. It's this white Honda Odyssey over here. It's not starting, so let's go ahead and figure out what's going on. I've got the key right here. Let's see what it sounds like. Okay, so the battery was supposedly fine, but I'm not seeing anything come up on the dash there. So let's pop the hood. Where's our hood? Okay, 1022 on the battery, but it is still connected, so looks like it's a battery issue. Luckily, I've got something to help test that. All right, Mucar sent me their new jump starters. They have two new models. They almost look identical, but one has a little bit more power in it. This is model JS501, and this is model JS502. This one has an 18,000 milliamp hour battery, and this one has a 12,000 milliamp hour battery. Those are huge batteries. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out one of these. Let's see if we can get this van started. That'll tell us whether or not the battery's got an issue. And I'll let you know how this jump starter stacks up against all the other ones I've used. But what I hadn't realized yet is this isn't only a jump starter, but it'll read codes and live data too. Comes with an instruction manual. I'll read through that and tell you anything interesting. I love these style of connectors because they have a readout LED displays right here that'll tell you what's going on when you hook up your jump box. And the jumper cables. Let's go ahead and hook it up. This jump starter here is the double whammy combo. It's not just a jump starter, but this will read your DTCs as well. So you can scan your computer, make sure you're ready to pass emissions or figure out what's wrong with your car, and jump it off whenever you need. This is a mechanic's best friend. Let's hook up the jump starter, and I'll plug this in and check out the computer as well. Okay, that battery's looking pretty messed up. Not starting here. All right, let's put the jump box on. Perfect. So after that, this customer, they just needed to go to the next town now that their vehicle is running. We just left it on and they took off because their battery had a warranty. The job I was coming to already was another battery, so I'm going to use this tool again because it can erase the DTCs for the codes. I actually always think it's kind of funny when they put a battery in the trunk of a car. I mean, at least it keeps the corrosion from getting on there, but all I had to do was an easy little battery swap here, take the clamp off, make sure everything was clean, put back together, and we're gonna go ahead and test this and make sure that the battery was in fact the issue. This is one of those cases where they told me what they wanted and I just came out here and replaced the battery. Check that out. There you go, got that check engine light off. We're good to go.